Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious and simple sushi / poke bowl. For this recipe, I use shrimp, chili flakes, salt, avocado, sweet soy sauce, regular soy sauce, fish sauce, carrots, mayo, sriracha, rice vinegar, black sesame seeds, pickled ginger, radishes, more sesame seeds, cucumber, seaweed salad, and sushi rice. Start with seasoning the shrimp. I am using pre-cooked shrimp, which I'm seasoning with chili, salt, regular and sweet soy sauce, a tiny bit of fish sauce, pickled ginger, and I also used sesame seeds. If some of these ingredients are not available to you or you don't like them, feel free to leave it out or swap it for something else. Mix it and set it aside. Wash the sushi rice until the water runs clear, then cook it according to the instructions on the packaging. While the rice is cooking, cut the vegetables. Now that the rice is done, I am adding rice vinegar to flavor the rice. While the rice is further cooling down, I made a quick dressing using sriracha, mayo, and a tiny bit of water to increase the volume. And now it is time to assemble the bowl. I love seeing you guys recreate the recipes I share, so if you decide to give this a try, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Amma's Kitchen. This is so delicious and satisfying. I love how all the flavors come together. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like this one, or you might like this video. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.